Now, if you want to change the refresh rate of CS2 here and it's stuck at 60 hertz, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here and you may want to do. Now, the thing with your refresh rate, this actually depends on your say your monitor. So if it actually can handle like more than 60 FPS. So what do you need to do? Well, first things first is you want to go ahead and just access your settings, and in here you want to go to advanced video first, and you want to make sure that VSync is actually disabled. Now, if VSync here is enabled, this will actually lock FPS on your PC. So again, make sure this one is disabled. Now, next is you want to go to video. In here, you want to make sure that display mode here is actually set to full screen. Once you have this set to full screen, you want to go ahead and just go to refresh rate here, and you should now have additional options to choose refresh rate, or you'll notice that it's no longer disabled. Now, like what I said before, this actually depends on your monitor if it can handle, if it can actually handle more. So just in case, how do you change this? Just in case your PC can or your monitor can handle more. So next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your desktop here, and you want to go to your desktop, right click on it, go to display settings, and in here you want to go and select your monitor, scroll down a bit here, and you want to go and look for your refresh rate. So you may want to go to advanced display, scroll down a bit here, choose the option here that says choose a refresh rate, and go and choose one that's your preference. Like you have 120 hertz, go and just choose that one. And once you've done that, you could go ahead and just basically open up CS2 again and see if that actually helps. Now, also, another thing that you may want to do is, depending on your GPU, you may want to open up the control panel for it. So, actually, I have the NVIDIA control panel in my case because I have NVIDIA GPU. So, in here, you want to go and just open it up. Now, again, you may want to wait for it real quickly here. And what we need to do is you want to go and just go to your manage 3D settings. And again, you want to look for VSync here because sometimes it's going to be enabled in the background. So you want to make sure it's actually turned off as well. Once you have this turned off, you can go ahead and open up CS2 again and see if that helps. And that's about it. So hopefully these videos you would help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.